welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a balloon bouquet with fresh flowers. Sorry for all my subscribers. I've been away for a long time. I'm having trouble with my eyes. What? That's why hindi po ako nakapag-upload. So, but I'll try my best to upload once in a while if I can. You know, vlogger. Vlogger. YouTube pa more. So, lumabo na ng dire-diretso ng bonggang-bongga yung mata ko. So, yun nga po, yung title is Balloon Bouquet with Fresh Flowers. So, I will show you yung mga gagamitin po natin. By the way, ito na po yung parang setup ko, no? Kasi mahirap magpapalit-palit ng setup. So, I'm here in my office.
Oh my God! Wow!
Office. So, andito yung mga office tour. So, yung mga gagamitin natin sa ating balloon bouquet with fresh flowers ay ang mga sumusunod. Pair of scissors, needle point pruner for cutting flowers, floral wire. This is 50 feet. I got it from Dollarama. And Dollarama as well. 90 feet by 0.5 inch floral tape. The Bobo balloon, 20 inches. Our ribbons, $1.50. Mas thick siya. So this is 25 millimeter by 2.5. And then glue gun and glue stick, of course. Our tissue paper, fiber one. Inflator, heat sealer, boxes, and our flowers. So, this is the first time I will do this balloon bouquet with fresh flowers. So, I really can't say how long the fresh flowers will last inside the balloons. So, I don't know. I'll give you update. I will choose this one. This is $1.75 at Dollarama. Best wishes pa. Pwede gamitin nyo to or not. It's up to you guys. Cute din. Pag may ganyan. Without, it's fine. Okay? Ang size pala nito, para sa mga nagtatanong, size ng box, para 4/4 by 5.5 inches. Kita niyo ba? Inis masyado yung ruler ko, right? Okay. Gypsophilia. Okay, lalagyan natin na itong paek-ek. Spray mum bunch. Gerbera flower. Okay, that's good. Then let's cut it. Sorry, I'm not florist, okay? So, bear with me. So, straight ko na lang siya para walang sharp edges doon sa, ang mahirap pag fresh flower na, what do you call that? Na lalagas. There you go. This is so cool. Look, diba? Ganda. Tapos, and then, you can add more. Yeah. So, you make a bunch like this. Ano natin? Lagyan natin ng floral wire. Okay? Walang magtataas ng kilay dyan, mga florists. I don't know what am I doing. Hindi ako marunong sa ganito. Baka, ayan muna. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot mo lang yung, nakikita niyo ba? Kailangan muna tayong sharp. I think this is good. Yan. So, napot ko na yan, right? Ngayon, tignan naman natin ito. We will put cover. Make sure to cover yung mga sharp edges, okay? Or else it will cause ng damage sa balloon na yan. After I put the wire, I put floral tape. And then, I want to really make sure na walang sharp dito na lalabas. Kumuha ko nung, I took sa, ano tawag dito? Tissue paper. Fiber thingy. And I will put here. Again. So, ang gagawin natin, na-stretch ko na to. I stretch this. All stretch. Then, I'll cut the end. Somewhere here. Kita nyo ba? Malabo talaga yung mata ko. Yan. Ito yung kinakatakot ko dito. Some people, they're using mesh sleeves. they're gonna insert the flower so that the petals will not fall out. So I don't have that. So I will try other way. Okay, how this one works. Yan. Ayan, butas na siya, right? Parang I need more openings. So, kinat ko siguro yung mga quarter nung diameter ng ano. Balloon. Yan. Nalagay na natin to. Tingnan natin if it's gonna work on this size. If doesn't, good luck. Okay. Now, it's time to heat seal this. I hope this works good. Nakikita niyo ba? Nanggigigil. Yan. Yan. One man down. To tell you honestly, I don't know how long this one will last. Yung balloon is fine forever. This one is plastic, right? But the flowers inside, mamamatay. Hindi nang kita no? Paano ko ginagawa? Mixin mo lang, pabilog. Talaga, nahirapan ako nung lumaboy mata ko. I don't know what to do. It's like, is vlogging really right for me? What happened to my eyes? Yan. Nasil ko na siya, guys. Now, we will try to inflate this balloon. Good luck. Okay, okay, now it's time to inflate. I think this is good. Ngayon, tali na natin. Siguro 3 turns, and then there you go. I think we're good. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Medyo naawa lang ako sa sa flowers, parang ano siya, sugat-sugat na siya. But it turns out good, right? Yung pinagsilan mo dito, pwede mong i-cut. You can cut it or you can just cover with the ribbon. Right? Ta-da! Cute! I will use 2 tissue paper. 2. Right? And then, kita nyo ba? I will show you. I will use 2 tissue paper and then cut into 4. Okay, there you go. 4, right? Then fold it in angle like this, right? 2, 3, angle. Yeah. Tapos, and then fold it. Fold like accordion. Ganyan. Yan. Gawin nyo, make it 4 and put it here. Okay. Yan. Ganyan, right? Tapos, yan natin dito. Yan. We can use this wire. Make sure lang di mabutas yung balloon. It. I will make the other side. Yeah. I still didn't cut the wire. Yeah. Then arrange mo na lang. Right? Yun. Ganda na. So when I bought this flower, I got this paper. Okay. So, scramble ko lang siya para hindi siya and then put inside para hindi masyadong so that it will not move. Right? Yan. See? But if you're gonna use fresh flowers outside, you have to use the floral foam. Okay? So, since we're doing this, yan. See? Yan. Ganyan lang. Easy peasy, guys. Now, lalagyan na natin ng ribbon. Itong $50 Rama ribbon. 2.5 meter by 25 mm. I-fold ko na lang sa half, right? Maliit lang naman siya. Here. Tapos yung center, iligid mo dito. Underneath. I repeat, all my stuff, I got it from, not all actually, most of it from Dollarama. So, makakamura lang, no? Kaya natin gawin. Kahit saan. Kaya pwede kayong mag-improvise yung, like, shoebox, yung box ng hopya, yung tipasa na yun. Ay, namis ko yun. The hopya one. Ano ba yung hopya sa English? I don't know. This one's hard to peel off. Wow. Naalala ko yung mga nag-gift wrap sa SF, tapos naman nila yung price, ganyan, right? Tapos bibigay ko. Tada! So, I cannot hold it. So, maybe it's good. Okay, it's good for now, guys. Tagal-tagal na ito. Yes. Yung pamatay kong, oh my god, naghihingalo kong glue gun. Okay. Put some glue on the bottom. Like this. And then, put the ribbon. Ta-da! Magic! Yan na. Then, let's put our flowers. Like that. And then, make sure, yung seam ng balloons na pinag-cut nyo, coveran nyo. Cover it with the ribbon. So, like this. Do you see that? Too much going on my table. Yan, oh, diba? Cover. Ito yung seam. Cover with this. Same thing on the other side. Right? Ang cute naman. I don't know if I want to do like cross or just like that is good. Parang cute din yung cross. Kaso, makukuberan yung ano. Okay din in fairness. Okay din pag cross. Okay din kapag hindi cross. So, walang talo. Dapat pala binaliktad ko para ang ribbon sa ibabaw. It doesn't matter. But still good though. Right? This is cool, actually. Lakas mong makasosyal. Para ka nang umorder kay, ano to sino to? Marian Rivera. Flora Vida. Wow, plug Marian. But naman, Marian. Pwede mag-seminar dyan. Turuan mo naman ako. Hindi ako marunong sa flowers. Yan. Parang gusto ko yung cross. It's cool. Right? So, let's do cross one. I'm just worried because I will put the name in the box. So, if I put cross, ito ko din. Pag hindi naman, ganyan lang. Let's see. Let's try. Let's try this one first. So, if not covered, it will be like this. Just like this. See that? Ganyan. Ganyan. But I need to put her name. Here. Okay. And the happy birthday as well. We have to put this again. Let's put the name first. Okay? I will put in the box. Pag pinot ko dito sa box, nakukubera naman pag kinross ko. Cross yung... Okay? Then, put here. Yeah. Yun. Swerte ng mga kaibigan ko lagi may pa-surprise. Ako, hindi ako masu-surprise. Masu-surprise na lang ako mula sa bahay nila. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Then, I will put this. Happy birthday. Yan. Sana all. Kita niyo ba? Yung pinaggagawa ko. Tada! Yan na! Yan. Ang problema lang dito, hindi ko talaga alam kung how long it will last yung flower inside. But I will still let you know next time on my next vlog. I will ask my friend. Alam mo, dati tinuruan kayo paano mag-ribbon, di ba? Maggawa ng buhok. Ngayon nalimutan na. Kanya na lang. Oh, okay. Tara! Ganda! Babawasan na lang natin to. Okay? There. Yan! Ganda, I love it. Kung gusto niyo ilagay ito, pwede rin naman. Yan. Ganda. Tada! Yan na ang aking balloon bouquet with fresh flower. Madali lang naman siya, right? Madali ba? Pero yung sa flower na fresh part, it's kinda hard because hindi ko naman forte yan, no? Logo lang ako. So, yan. Closer. Closer. Yan. Ta-da! Happy birthday, Grace! Hope you like this. Okay. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga videong i-upload ko. So, thank you for watching. See ya!